It's Thursday. Welcome to another edition of the Hokey video blog. I am meteorologist Ryan Hoke. It's parade day, of course. The Republic Bank Pegasus Parade will be getting off to a pretty clean start as we go throughout the afternoon and evening. We've got a couple little rain chances to talk about, though, during that time. It's the same story for Oaks, but Derby and thereafter, ooh, that forecast is looking pretty good. Let's explain real quick what's going on outside right now from our Fifth Third Bank network of SkyTrack cameras that you're seeing there from Jeffersonville looking across the river at Louisville. Ooh, got a little airplane there trying to make a landing at the Louisville International Airport. Otherwise, we've got some of these popcorn cumulus clouds that you see up here. That's in response to the heating of the day. You get some of that heating. It pushes up on the atmosphere, and then the air condenses, causes clouds like that. And the reason that we have them is because not only we have the heating here at the surface that's causing some of these, and you can see that they're expanding rather rapidly here on the visible satellite view, but if you look off to our north and west, we've got an area of low pressure up there that causes some cooler air aloft to swing in here. So when you got the heating at the surface and the cool air aloft, that causes instability, and these clouds are able to form much more readily. And in fact, I think we'll see these continue to rotate on throughout the day, some of this more stratiform cloud action going on out here to our west. So I think it'll be partly sunny for most of the day, but as we head in through the evening, I think we'll see just a few more of those clouds, and eventually that could lead to some rain showers. Let's go through Futurecast and show you when those could be. We get temperatures up into the lower to middle 60s this afternoon, but by parade time, we could be staring down the barrel of a few of these isolated showers. This is not going to be a washout, but you might want to take a poncho if you're heading out to the Republic Bank Pegasus Parade, because some of these showers could be moving through off and on, and it'll be more like drizzle to maybe light rain at times, nothing real heavy. You can tell by Futurecast's look here that none of these get real out of hand. Then as we go throughout this evening, 10 o'clock, you'll notice that they all dissipate. We lose the heating of the day, so they all start to die off, and the clouds begin to do the same. And then as we go throughout your Friday for Oaks Day, it's the same story. Look at all those popcorn showers once again popping up around Kentuckiana there at 5 o'clock. So just in time for that race, we may have an isolated shower chance. We'll see if it actually does rain during that race. Otherwise, you'll want to take a poncho there if you can, just to shield yourself from some of those raindrops that we'll see falling. Otherwise, look at this. We clear things out by Friday night. And then by Saturday, the all-important Derby Day, we've got a cold front off to our north. But I think the rain action is going to be staying up toward Indy, and we will be dry as high pressure pushes up against that cold front there. So we should be seeing some nice southerly and southwesterly flow as we go throughout the day on your Saturday. That means temperatures get up into the middle 70s. I've got a high of 75 degrees on Derby Day. I don't think that looks too bad at all. For today, though, for the Republic Bank Pegasus Parade, by 6 o'clock, it'll be down to 62 degrees. We'll have a 20% chance of showers in there. Something I do want to focus on real quick are the winds. We've got all these parade balloons that are going to be out there, the floats as well. And we may have southwesterly winds at 15 miles per hour with gusts up to 25. That could be problematic for some of those balloons and some of those larger floats. So don't be surprised if you see some difficulties out there with the winds as we go throughout this afternoon. For the Kentucky Oaks, looks like we're going to have temperatures getting only into the lower 60s once again. 62 degrees by 4 o'clock off a southwesterly wind at 10 miles an hour. We'll see a few more clouds during the afternoon as those shower chances ramp up to around 10 to 20%. And then as we go throughout your Derby Day, shower chances, they're all gone. We'll be seeing partly to mostly sunny skies during the day. Temperatures surging into the 70s by 4 o'clock. So Derby Day looks good, but how about thereafter? I think by Wednesday of next week, we'll make it up to 85 degrees. So between Derby and that time, we'll be slowly rising in temperature through the upper 70s and eventually into the lower to middle 80s as we head throughout the mid part of next week. So it's not all a bad forecast. A couple of little shower chances in there for some of those big ticket events, but Derby looks dry, and thereafter looks pretty warm. We'll have an update coming for you here tonight with our live coverage of the Republic Bank Pegasus Parade starting at 5, only on Wave 3 News. Thanks for watching.